Where's Mommy? Just tell me, take me through it. Go on down and take me through it. Yeah. Come on, Brad wants to take us to that.
Where?
To do that. It's way down the road.
Where's Brad at? Where's Brad?
Brad! You gonna go through that? You're nuts. Hey, is it? Can you go? You can go that way too.
387.
387. That's all. So what are you gonna get with all that?
Bo is.
Huh?
But you don't know who Bo is.
Who go what? Let's go through so we can go off the.
Trent. Bo works here. Bo's here. Not what? They got
I don't know.
Oh, wait a minute. Go on straight. Keep on going straight.
I look at this one.
I thought you want to go on
What one?
Slide.
Slide.
I thought you want to go on that one ride.
I would have been. I go through this.
Hey, Mom.
Okay.
Hey, camera.
Where are you coming out at?
Here.
Have you ever done it?
It's going. It's on.
Have you ever done it?
No.
Okay. What? No, I'm scared.
Here, you buzz. Go on.
It's too big for Mommy.
Mom, go ahead. Go ahead. You go first. I'll go. Mom, look. Mom, there's 387.
Mom, it's me. Get up.
You want me, Bo?
I'm coming, Jill.
No.
Come on, Jill.
Are you filming this?
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to be me? I want to do it. Can I do it, Dad?
Can you do what?
Yeah, 'cause I ain't going in there.
Go.
Come on, let's go back. Come on.
Wait a minute.
Watch out.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, it's 387. Oh, no, he can't leave.
I don't care.
Mom, Dad said I could do it.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
You know what? You want to meet Bo?
Where?
Hi, Bo.
Hey, Boone's in. He's in where waiting for us?
Hey, that's Bo. See, that's Bo. He's in.
Cool. Come on.
His name is Bo. And he's my friend.
All right.
He is.
Cool.
His name is Bo.
Where's Trent? You say you know where Trent is?
Yeah, he's over here. Come on. Well, I want to take you guys.
I can't get up it.
Come on, Peter, go like
Somebody
this.
got this on manual focus.
Peter, get some sweat.
Oh. Go on, Peter.
I can't get up.
You was?
Wait a minute.
Go on.
Jim, this is high.
Yeah.
Bye.
Excuse me.
Yeah, it's closed. Last call for alcohol.
Go.
Come on! Tristan just went down here.
He did.
Yeah.
Go,
Who's
Mom.
hurt?
I'm at the gym.
Come on,
Who's
Mom.
falling?
Come on,
Who is that?
Come on, Mom.
Hey, Ding Ding.
Can I see
You
you
gonna
now?
go on it?
Hey,
You gonna go up it?
I'm gonna go.
Come on.
I'm at
Go,
the.
Trent.
Go, Trent. You can have it.
Go, boy.
Go, boy. Yay!
Hey!
Here, can I have the camcorder?
Okay.
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 No, Trent, no. Go back down. Go, Casey, go.
Go, Casey. Go, Casey. Go.
Give him a push.
Get your big fat head out of the way, Brad. Now you get your big fat head out of there, Brad. Rocky.
Hey, those are my pants you got on, boy.
They're not. They're Uncle Mike's.
Mike never got a pair of 32s.
Mom bought it for him.
Christmas. Look on me.
I still got it on Rocky.
How do you wind up back up here?
He climbed.
Oh,
I got it right at Rocky.
look, there's Casey.
Hey, Casey.
Let go.
You got it. Yeah. It says in, Dad.
Oh, it means we're out of tape.
Let
It's
go.
all right, we're done with the day anyway.
It ain't 8 yet.
Go.
Go.
You ride with me again?
Yep.
You ride with me?
Go. We leaving?
Yep. Time to go.
That's your bow, bye. I'm going with the camcorder. Go, Casey. Whoa! That's where I have to go. Go! Your turn, Casey!
Come on, Trent. Trent, come on.
Train, go down.
Come on. Gotta go now.
This is gonna be pretty hard. Turn it off, right?
Yep. Come on, Trent. Come on. There's more birthday cake.
Yeah, when it's like on eat.
Thanks. See you next time.
Hey, everybody.